welcome to 30-something beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something beauty lover making videos here on YouTube. So thanks for coming in for another day of 30 days, 30 looks. Today is a special day. Today we are using the white peach palette. I'm so excited. Guys, I've held off on palettes. All the other Too Faced palettes that came out. The Clover one looks good. I'll never buy the chocolate gold. The white chocolate looks good. Never would use that many light colors. It's beautiful, but I never use it. I waited. And then they came out with this. Now, I did not cheat. If you've watched the review video, you've already heard this, but I did not cheat. I had a no-buy January, no buying any beauty of any kind. My birthday is in February. This was an early birthday gift. So I did that partly because I wanted to be able to tell you. So we are going to put this on my eyes today, but we've got to finish off my face, some of the other stuff on my face first. So just to catch you up, I have on Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I have on Tarte Shape Tape under my eye. I used Too Faced Born This Way powder, obviously. And I used Shadow Insurance already. And my brows are the Soap and Glory Brow Archery. But we need to give some chisel. Since, you know, we're going to christen a new Too Faced palette, I think why not use Chocolate Soleil? And I'm going to go in with my big fluffy e.l.f. brush. When I did use the Milk Makeup bronzing stick already too. Okay, I've got a line going. Also, I'm going absolutely nowhere today. Literally, I am just doing this to make a video for you. Isn't that great how all of a sudden I have features again? Gotta do a little. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna use this kind of orangey pink or peachy pink. Okay, it just got really windy. So if you hear all the leaves rustling, I'm sorry. Need it. I want it a little higher on the cheekbone. Okay, it's time. I'm so happy after all the warm burnt oranges that are just not my thing. This just brings me so much joy. So we're gonna start by going all over, of course, with peach cream. I mean, I always like just having a really nice base. And I will make sure to put a card to the review. I'm not going to talk about like, oh, this one's soft and it has kickback or blah, blah, blah on this. This is tutorial. Review is a separate video, so there will be a card for that. I am going to take Peach Suede, this pinky color, and put it all over my lid. And up into that bone, right up into the bone. And then I'll blend out with my brush. That's the only brush I own. With my Morphe kind of domed brush. Okay, I'm not giving a review, but that blended like a dream. Now, I'm going to take Sweet Fig, which is sort of a gray purple, and just go in the corners. Pulling up. And I'm gonna go back and blend peach cream up here, just to even it out a little. I need to get my eyebrows done so badly. Okay, so just in the actual corner, I'm gonna take On the Grill, which is sort of a matte black gray, but doesn't come out quite as strong, which I'm okay with. I think it's more wearable this way. I'll get more use out of it. And just sort of blend in, so it's just deepening that corner. So I place it with my smudgy brush, and then I'm blending with my fluffy Sephora brush. Now, for some real fun. We're gonna take Glistening Peach, which I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like an iridescence to it, and put that all over the lid with our MAC Fix Plus. I shouldn't say all over, right up to that smoke. I am gonna go back now just to blend those together a little more. I'm gonna take this brush and just barely tap it in that On the Grill. By the way, I love that the charcoal color is On the Grill, like you were grilling peaches. Okay, I'm also gonna take my smudge brush and take that On the Grill and put it under my eye. Okay, but on top, we're gonna take Peach Passion, which is coming off on this on the monitor a lot more like blue purple, but it's a very deep royal purple with glitter. I'm gonna deal. So I am gonna put my smudge brush in that, MAC Fix Plus it, my lid on top, and that is beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. Well, I look like such a weirdo right now, but that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, but wearable. So I did use both glitter ones, 2 of the 3 glitters. You know what, let's just, I'm not going anywhere. Let's just finish it off. Let me find the right, I'm gonna use my little precision brush and take the white glitter, which really, I think this one, Peach Ice, is basically just a glitter topper. And I didn't put any Fix Plus on this, so this is not going to be as intense as it could be, I'm sure. But I'm just going to put it in the corners. But with the Fix Plus, I'm sure that's like crazy bonkers. I just don't need to be that icy. So, okay. So that is everything from here that I'm going to use. Even though I used both glitters, this is a very wearable, like, daytime look. So I'm just going to use my Wonder Pencil, rim my inner eye, and then do my mascara, and then we'll come back to do finishing touches, lipstick, highlighter, all that good stuff. Okay. I am so in love with my eyes. So finishing off, I am going to use the kind of champagne-y color from the NYX Strobe of Genius palette. That's some pretty high wattage shine today. And I'm going to use the more white one for just down my nose. And swirling into my diffused light to pat under the eye and right in the center of my forehead. Now, okay, for lips, I actually like the color my lips are, so I am going to use NYX Flutter Kiss, one of my all-time favorites, because it's basically the same color. because I'm just loving my Buxom glosses, this is Emma. It's a shimmery, pearlescent white. And to finish off with All Nighter. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Let them know that there is a place for 30-somethings here on YouTube. And just right now, you should be getting some suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.